everyone. Today I want to talk about something we often see around us, smoking in campus area. But before we continue, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fabiansyah. I'm from class 641C07 from the Faculty of Economic and Business Management Study Program first semester. To be honest, I personally think smoking on campus area should not be allowed, especially in public area. It makes the air smells bad and affect people who don't even smoke. I believe students should be able to study or relax in a clean and healthy environment without being disturbed by cigarette smoke. I understand that some students smoke because they feel stressed or need to calm down. We all face pressure from the class, exams, assignment. That's something we all have in common. Everyone wants to feel comfortable and free to relax on campus. However, we also share the same interest in keeping our campus clean and comfortable for everyone. In my opinion, the best way to solve this is by creating more smoke-free zones and providing a specific areas for smokers, far from classroom or crowded place. The campus could also hold awareness campaigns about the effect of smoking. As students, we can also help by reminding our friends politely and supporting those who want to quit smoking. Let's work together to make our campus a cleaner, healthier, and more comfortable place for everyone. Thank you for listening to me. Good morning, everyone. Today I want to do a presentation about simple present tense. But before we continue, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad. My name is Muhammad Fabiansyah. My ID is 64251737, and I am from Faculty of Economy and Business, and I am from Management Study Program in first semester. So let's get started. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to talk about something we do regularly, facts, or something that is always true. For example, I eat breakfast every morning. Or the sun rises in the east. Next, when do we when do we use it? We use it to talk about habits, routines, and permanent situation. Essentially, things that happen again and again. For example, he goes to school every day. Next, next is sentence structure. Let's look at positive sentence structure. The formula is subject plus verb 1 plus s or yes plus object. The example is she plays the piano. Next, we have a negative sentence structure. We simply add do not or does not before the verb. Example, I do not like coffee. Next, for the question form, we move or use do or does to the front. For the example, do you study English or does she work here? She work here. Special rule, adding s or s. An important rule is for the third person singular subject. He, she, or it. When the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb. Example, play become plays, go become goes, and watch become watch. Next, irregular verb. Some verbs are special and don't follow the rules. These are called irregular verbs. For the example, have become has, do become does, and be changed to am, is, or are. Next, specifically, when use the verb be, it changes based on the subject. I am, you are, he is, they are. For example, I am a student, she is smart, and they are friends. Next, common time expression. We often use words like always, usually, often, sometimes, never, every day, or every week. These words show how often something happens. Example, I wake up early. Next, we have positive sense example. I drink milk every morning. She likes the music. And they study English every Monday. Next, negative sense example. I don't eat meat. He doesn't watch TV. And we don't play games at night. Next is question sense example. Do you play football? Does she work on the weekends? And do they speak English? Next, we also use it to talk about facts and general truths. For the example, the sun rises in the east and water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Next, let's look at the common mistake to avoid. He don't like tea. The correct way is he doesn't like tea. She play guitar. The correct way is she plays the guitar. They like football. They likes the football. The correct way is they like the football. Next, simple present tense versus simple present continuous. It is it is important to differentiate the simple present versus present continuous. The simple present is for habits. The present continuous is for action happening now. Example, I play football every Sunday versus I am playing football now. Next is quick learning tips and summary. Here are some quick learning tips. Add S for he, she, it. Use do or does for negative and question. Practice speaking every day using simple present. Next, summary. We use simple present to talk about habits, facts, and routines. The formula is subjects plus verb 1 plus S or S. Add do does for negative and question form. Thank you for listening to me.